Hello, today we are going to talk about Axis Finance Loan Against Property. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Axis Finance Loan Against Property. Applicant age should be between 22 year to 60 year for salaried and 24 year to 65 year for self-employed. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount rupees 30 lakh to 10 crore. Tenure will be 5 years to 15 years. Login fees will be 5,900. Rate of interest will be 10% to 11% at reducing rate. Login fees will be 5,900. Turnaround time is 10 days. Insurance charges will be 1% to 4%. Foreclosure charges will be 4% after 1 year. Part payment is allowed. Products are term loan, banking program, GST program, track-based product, lease rental discounting. Lock-in period is 1 year. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 3 years. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Axis Finance Loan Against Property 4-month track can be BT, cash rental considered, funding against freehold property. Location is 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are stone slab property, lal dora property, without map property, subdivided property, legal not clear, technical not clear, GPA property, subject to sale deed, current sale deed 1 year old, freehold unapproved property, auction property. Restaurant, hotel, multi-talented unit, property in demolition list, property which legal and technical not clear. No specific product for professional. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.